Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to start with the first chapter of your textbook, that is The Fun They Had. The Fun They Had is a short story written by Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov was an American writer and professor, and he usually used to write sci-fi. वो क्या लिखते थे? वो sci-fi लिखते थे. Now what is sci-fi? Sci stands for science and fi stands for fiction. So sci-fi stands for science fiction. Now what is science fiction? Fiction is any story or a narrative. Fiction क्या होता है? कोई भी story या कोई भी narrative. Right? So what is science fiction? Any story or narrative that has scientific elements in it. For example, maybe a time machine, or maybe a robot, or a machine, or a computer, etc. Before you read, the story we shall read is set in the future. So जो story हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, the fun they had, it is set in future. उसकी setting क्या है? Future, when books and schools, as we now know them, will perhaps not exist. So हो सकता है फ्यूचर में जो बुक्स हम पढ़ रहे हैं या जिन स्कूल्स में हम पढ़ रहे हैं वो एग्जिस्ट ही ना करें. हाउ विल चिल्ड्रन स्टडी देन? तो बच्चे पढ़ेंगे कैसे? हाउ विल दे स्टडी? द डायग्राम बिलो मे गिव यू सम आइडियाज. So you can get some ideas from this diagram. Learning through computers. So the students, the children, they might learn through computers. They might learn in the virtual classrooms. So there might not be real life classrooms. हो सकता है real life classrooms ना हो, उनकी जगह क्या हो? Virtual classrooms. Then moving e-text. Number 3. Now what is e-text? E-text means electronic text. And why is it referred to as moving? Because when you scroll on the computer screen, जब आप text को scroll करते हो computer screen पे, it appears to be moving. वो ऐसे लगता है जैसे move कर रहा है. So moving e-text because students might learn through computers और computers पे text क्या करता है? Move. Number 4, robotic teachers. So there might be robotic teachers instead of real life classroom teachers. जो अभी teachers होते हैं हो सकते हैं वैसे teachers ना हो, robotic teachers हो. Discuss 3 things that you like best about your school and 3 things about your school that you would like to change, and write them down. So you have to write 3 things that you like about your school and 3 things about your school that you would like to change. 3 चीजें ऐसी लिखनी है जो आपको पसंद है आपके स्कूल के बारे में और 3 चीजें जो आप बदलना चाहते हैं. Write this down in your rough notebook. Number 2, have you ever read words on a television or computer screen? क्या आपने कभी भी टेलीविजन या कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे वर्ड्स पढ़े? Can you imagine a time when all books will be on computers? So can you imagine a time जब सारी बुक्स कंप्यूटर्स पे हो? There will be no books printed on paper. पेपर पे कोई भी बुक प्रिंट ना हो. Would you like such books better? क्या आपको ऐसी बुक ज़्यादा पसंद आएंगी? Why or why not? So you also have to mention the reason. Would you like computerized books or the books that you have right now? Printed books पसंद आएंगे आपको. दोनों में से कौन सी would you like the most? You have to write reason for this. Let's begin with the story now. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. So Margie is the main character of the story. और वो क्या लिखती है डायरी में? She writes, Today Tommy found a real book. उसने क्या लिखा? उसने लिखा Today Tommy found a real book. आज टॉमी को एक रियल बुक मिली. And on which date did she write this? She wrote this on 17th May 2157. So 2157 means the story is set in future. This means that the story is set in future. Future time है ये. We are living in the 21st century. और ये कौन सी सेंचुरी की बात हो रही है? 22nd century, फ्यूचर की बात हो रही है. It was a very old book. So the book was very old. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, His grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. मार्जी के ग्रैंडफादर उसे बताते हैं that when he was a young boy, जब वो एक छोटे बच्चे थे, so his grandfather, उनके grandfather used to tell him, उनको बताते थे that the stories were earlier printed on paper. पहले stories किस पे print होती थी? पेपर पे print होती थी. They turned the pages of the book, and how were the pages? The pages were yellow and crinkly. Now what is the meaning of crinkly? Crinkly means with many folds or lines. बहुत सारे folds और lines के साथ. Okay, so any surface that has a lot of wrinkles. And it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And then, when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. So, the pages of the book were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny for them. It was very funny for them to read the words that stood still instead of moving. तो उनके लिए बहुत funny था to read the words that stood still. जो words एक ही जगह पे दिखते हैं वो उनके लिए बहुत funny थे. Why? Because they used to study on computer, क्योंकि वो computer पे पढ़ते थे. And जब वो computer पे पढ़ते थे, जब हम scroll करते हैं screen को, for example, like I'm doing it now, scroll कर रही हूँ मैं, so the words are appearing to be moving. In a similar manner, when they used to scroll the screen, text को जब वो scroll करते थे तो move करते थे text. So it was very funny for them to watch or to see the words that were still. Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with a book, you just throw it away, I guess. So Tommy says that what a wastage, कितना wastage है ये. When you are done reading the book, जब आप book पढ़ लेते हो तो आप उसको फेंक देते हो. I guess you do this. Our television screen must have had 1,000,000 books on it, and it's good for a plenty more. I would not throw it away. So Tommy says that हमारी television screen पे तो millions of books होती हैं, but I never throw it away. मैं कभी भी उसको पढ़ के फेंकता नहीं हूँ. Same with mine, said Margie. So Margie क्या कहती है? Same is the case with me also. I also never throw my television away. मैं कभी भी अपने television को नहीं फेंकती हूँ after reading the books. She was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. So Margie was 11 years old and Tommy was 13 years old. She said, Where did you find it? तो वो पूछती है, Where did you find it? तुम्हें ये book मिली कहाँ पे? In my house, he pointed without looking because he was busy reading. In the attic. So he says that I found it in my house. मुझे book अपने house में मिली. Where? In the attic. Now what is attic? A space just below the roof used as a storeroom. So कोई भी space roof के नीचे जिसको हम storeroom की तरह use करते हैं is an attic. Where did Tommy find the book? Tommy found the book in the attic. So now Marge asked, What is it about? ये book किस चीज के बारे में है? So Tommy said that this book is about school. ये book किसके बारे में है? School के बारे में है. Margie was scornful. School? What is there to write about school? I hate school. So Margie used to hate school. उसको school बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. वो हमेशा से hate करती थी school को, लेकिन आजकल उसको बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा लगता था school. Why? Because the mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So, why did she hate school more than ever? पहले से ज़्यादा क्यों hate करती थी वो school को? Because जो उसकी मैकेनिकल टीचर थी वो टेस्ट के बाद टेस्ट दिए ही जा रही थी ज्योग्राफी में, एंड शी वाज परफॉर्मिंग वर्स एंड वर्स। वो बुरे से बुरा परफॉर्म करे जा रही थी। शी वॉज नॉट इम्प्रूविंग एंड हर मदर कॉल्ड फॉर द काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर। उसकी मदर ने किसको बुलाया? काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर को। नाउ द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर, he was a round little man with a red face. So the man was round and little and he had a red face with a whole box of tools with dials and wires. So he also carried a box of tools और उसमें क्या क्या थे? Dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. So वो मार्जी की तरफ स्माइल करता है और उसको क्या देता है? एप्पल. Then took the teacher apart. फिर जो टीचर है, मैकेनिकल टीचर, जो मशीन है उसको ओपन कर देता है. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again. So, the mechanical teacher was dismantled by the काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर उसको खोल देता है एंड देन ही जॉइंस इट टुगेदर अगेन. पर मार्जी ने सोचा होता है हो सकता है कि काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर उसको जोड़ ही ना पाए. ही माइट नॉट बी एबल टू जॉइन इट अगेन, बट ही जॉइंस इट. लेकिन वो उसको जॉइन कर देता है. सो देयर इट वाज अगेन. नाउ दिस इज द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द मैकेनिकल टीचर. लार्ज एंड ब्लैक एंड अगली, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. So, it was large and black and ugly and it had a big screen. और उस पे क्या दिखाते थे? It showed the lessons and also the questions were asked. और उससे क्या पूछे जाते थे? Questions भी पूछता था वो mechanical teacher. That wasn't so bad. So ये इतना भी बुरा नहीं था. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. So Margie को सबसे बुरा क्या लगता था? The time when she had to put the homework and test papers. जब उसको homework और test papers डालने होते थे, insert करने होते थे mechanical teacher में, that was the worst part. That was the part she did not like at all. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old. And उसको क्या करना होता था? She used to write it in the punch code. वो words में नहीं लिखना होता था, उसको punch code में लिखना होता था. और वो उसने कब सीखा था? When she was 6 years old. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. And the mechanical teacher quickly calculated the marks. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. So जो इंस्पेक्टर होता है, he smiled after he was finished and he said to her mother, वो मिसेस जोन्स को बोलता है ना. Who is Mrs. Jones? Mrs. Jones is Margie's mother. तो मिसेस जोन्स को क्या बोलता है? It's not the little girl's fault. ये इस छोटी बच्ची की गलती नहीं है. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. मुझे लगता है कि ये जो ज्योग्राफी सेक्टर है ये बहुत फास्ट चल रहा था. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. ऐसा होता है कभी कभी. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. तो मैंने अभी उसको slow down कर दिया है as per a 10-year-old child. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. And he patted Margie's head again. So, he says that she is doing a good progress, she is doing a satisfactory job. वो बहुत अच्छा कर रही है, ऐसा नहीं है कि she is not performing well. And he patted Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. Now Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. तो मार्जी ने सोचा था कि वो टीचर को ले जाएंगे वहां से, बिकॉज दे हैड वंस टेकन टॉमीज टीचर अवे फॉर नियरली अ मंथ. क्योंकि वो एक बार टॉमी के टीचर को भी ले गए थे. व्हाई? बिकॉज द हिस्ट्री सेक्टर हैड ब्लैंक्ड आउट कंप्लीटली. क्योंकि जो हिस्ट्री सेक्टर था वो ब्लैंक आउट हो गया था. सो शी सेड टू टॉमी, व्हाई वुड एनीवन राइट अबाउट स्कूल? तो वो टॉमी को बोलती है कि कोई स्कूल के बारे में क्यों लिखेगा. व्हाई? Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. So Tommy said that this is not our kind of school. ये हमारे तरह का स्कूल नहीं है. It's a different kind of school जो hundreds and hundreds of years ago पहले होता था. Centuries ago पहले होता था. You know, it is that kind of school that existed centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Now Margie was very hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of schools they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. So she says that they had a teacher. उनका भी तो एक teacher होता था. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. It was a man. So Tommy tells her that it was not a regular teacher. Regular teacher means normal teacher. जैसे इनका mechanical teacher था. Mechanical teacher is referred to as regular teacher here. क्योंकि उनके लिए वो normal होता था, mechanical teacher. So Tommy says that it is not, they did not have a mechanical teacher, rather they had a teacher and it was a man. वो man होता था. A man? How could a man be a teacher? So he says that एक man teacher कैसे हो सकता है? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. So वो क्या करता था? Mechanical teacher, the normal teacher, जो टीचर्स centuries of years ago होते थे, जो बहुत पहले टीचर्स होते थे, they used to give homework to the students and also ask them questions. A man isn't smart enough. So Margie says that a man isn't smart enough. एक man बहुत smart नहीं हो सकता है. Sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. Tommy क्या बोलता है कि मेरे father को उतना आता है जितने मेरे teacher को आता है. He knows almost as much. I betcha. So betcha is a way of saying I bet you. So he says he knows almost as much. I bet you. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I would not want a strange man in my house to teach me. So Margie क्या बोलती है कि मेरे को कोई strange person नहीं चाहिए अपने house में to teach me. Tommy screamed with laughter. So Tommy said, you don't know much, Margie. तुम्हें ज़्यादा नहीं पता है. The teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all kids went there. So Tommy explains to Margie that पहले ज़माने में teachers घर पे नहीं रहा करते थे. There was a special building and everyone used to go there. सब लोग वहाँ जाते थे और वहाँ पे पढ़ते थे. और वो building को हम क्या कहते हैं? School. And all the kids learned the same thing. So Margie asks, कि सारे बच्चे क्या एक ही चीज सीखते थे? Sure, if they were the same age. So Tommy says that yes, if they were of the same age, they used to learn the same thing. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. So Margie says that each child has to be taught differently. हर बच्चे को अलग तरह से पढ़ाना होता है, ऐसा मेरी मम्मा कहती है. Just the same, they did not do it that way then. तो क्या हुआ? वो उस टाइम पे ऐसा नहीं करते थे. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. So Tommy says that अगर तुम्हें नहीं पसंद आ रहा है, so don't read the book then. तो मत पढ़ो बुक को. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I did not say I did not like it. Margie said quickly. So Margie said कि मैंने नहीं कहा मुझे पसंद नहीं आई book. So this shows that she was interested in reading the book. She wanted to read about those funny schools. So she was really interested in reading the book. They were not even half finished when Margie's mother called, Margie, school. So even उन्होंने half book भी नहीं read की थी when Margie's mother called Margie, उसको बुलाती हैं, Margie, it is time for school. Margie looked up, not yet, Mama. Mama अभी नहीं. Now said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. So Mrs. Jones बोलते हैं कि ये शायद टॉमी का भी टाइम है स्कूल जाने का, so please get up. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Margie टॉमी को बोलती है कि क्या मैं बुक रीड कर सकती हूँ with you after school, स्कूल के बाद. Maybe, he said nonchalantly. So he said that maybe you can. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. So he moves away. He goes from there. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom. So where was Margie's schoolroom? उसका schoolroom कहाँ था? It was right next to her bedroom. एकदम उसके bedroom के side में. And the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. So the mechanical teacher was switched on and it was waiting for Margie. वो किसका wait कर रही थी? Margie का. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. वो daily एक ही time पे on होती थी except Saturday and Sunday. Because her mother said little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. क्योंकि मार्जी की मम्मा कहती थी that if girls learned at the same hours, at the regular hours daily, अगर little girls daily same time पे पढ़ेंगी तो they would learn better. The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. So उस दिन क्या पढ़ाया जाने वाला था? Arithmetic lesson. और कौन सा lesson? Fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. तो उसमें क्या लिखा आ रहा था स्क्रीन पे कि please insert your yesterday's homework in the proper slot. अपना कल का homework पहले insert करो in the slot. Margie did so with a sigh. So Margie was not very happy because she did not like to insert the homework. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. So she was thinking how in the old schools, in the old days, जो schools होते थे उसमें, how all the kids went together to school. How they enjoyed there and how did they come back from there. कितना enjoy करते थे वो लोग. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. So they learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework. तो वो एक ही चीज पढ़ते थे so they could also help each other with the homework और वो उसको discuss भी कर सकते थे. And the teachers were people. And above all, the teachers were people. जो teachers थे वो इंसान होते थे, human beings होते थे. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 dash dash dash. So mechanical teacher पे क्या लिखा था? When we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. But Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. So Margie was busy thinking about the old days, the schools in the old days where children used to have fun. कितने मजे आते होंगे उनको. And she was thinking about the fun they had, the fun the students in the old days had. जो पुराने जमाने में बच्चे होते थे वो कितना फन करते थे, कितना एंजॉय करते थे. This was what she was thinking. So this was the explanation of the chapter. Now we will discuss the theme and message of the chapter in the next video. Thank you so much, children.